But she was very brave and kind.
Now,
Her very
now, why do you pronounce it through and thought? Keep going, keep going.
Through. There's no R in thought. Thought. She was very brave and
Beautiful.
Beautiful and
Kissed
her very
gently.
She woke up and said, I dreamed you would come. Everyone in the palace began to wake up. The king obeyed.
King
ordered
go on.
A great feast to celebrate. He thanked the prince for coming to the rescue.
Their
rescue. And the queen eventually invited him to stay the next day. The prince asked the king if he could marry the princess. Of course, said the king, and the princess happily agreed. Soon there was a very big, wonderful wedding. Many happy smiling girls, guests, including the 6 good fairies. From then on, the prince and the princess lived happily ever after. The Little Mermaid.
Okay, let me start a new one. I'm running out of card here, Knock.